ETH, we started forward chart. If you refer to my last analysis on my main channel, when the price was exactly within here, we discussed how we can look for trade. And I mentioned if the price start to continue and drop, how deep it can go. That's why since the price was here, we came up with the 3350 following by 3120. Okay. And as you can see, the breakout of this support 3350, the price exactly tagged 3120, we see the reversal. No one see what's the next. There was opportunity to look for buy from here, but since the reversal was as a corrective, that means we could look for the trade as a short term. We didn't have any update for that. Anyway, we start with the higher time frame. We start with weekly chart. We want to see what's the next and what we can look for and what's the expectation from the market. Anyway, we are looking for the weekly correction, and this is what I'm looking for. We want to see whether we can look for the continuation with the expectation to see the breakout of the all-time high. Okay. Anyway, at this point, we are looking at the weekly correction. This line is not the support. This is the target since the price was within this low. I mean, within here. And how long we will be within this correction? Okay, because we are looking for buy. We want to see whether we can look for buy within this correction, which is a weekly correction. And to look for trade, mostly we have to look for the trade setup based on daily and lower time frame. Okay, and if we move to lower time frame, if we move to a daily chart, okay, as I mentioned, how deep we could expect. This is the support we come up in my last analysis, which is 3120. Okay, and to look for buy for me, I prefer this one at least tag or break this low before we look for buy. It can give me a better confirmation. If I get this opportunity, then I will take it. And any opportunity for buy with the breakout of this correction, the targets we can look for is uh sorry, the targets we can look for is 2.4k following by 4.5. With the breakout of the 4.5, we can look for all-time high. Okay, and at this point, based on the daily chart, even if we move to lower time frame, I don't see any trade setup. But for me, if I want to look for buy at this point, I prefer the price tag or even break this low, which is somewhere around 3053. Okay, that's mean this is the best option I can look for, but it doesn't mean we cannot expect the price to reverse from here. If we see the reversal from here, whether we look for buy or not, then we make a decision. But at this point, I don't see any reversal. And as I mentioned, I prefer to see the breakout of the previous low. And how about if we move to lower time frame, if we move to forward chart, based on forward chart, technically, whenever we see this kind of the reversal as a corrective, the possibility for the next drop is very high. That's why if we get the next drop, this is the best we can look for. Again, it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. To look for trade for buy with a reverse, I mean, with expectation for the price to reverse from here, we have to look for the trade setup, which is based on daily and forward chart. At this point, I don't see any trade setup. And how about if we move to lower time frame? If we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. For me, I prefer to wait. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. I will come up with the update. Thanks.